When you partner with SWYFT Solutions, we want to make sure that you have everything that you need when you're getting started. To help enhance your implementation, you can add SWYFT Solutions support to your platform as an administrator. This will allow our technical support team to help configure your platform based on your feedback. The support team will bring their own license, so there's no need to provide your own for this process. All you need to do is send the invite and we'll take it from there. To carry out the instructions in this video, you will need to be a platform administrator. To add SWYFT Solutions support to your platform, you will first need to access a platform management dashboard from your dashboard list. You will then need to navigate to the Members tab. Before we invite SWYFT Solutions support, we'll need to make sure that the platform settings will allow SWYFT Solutions to bring their own license. Click on the Configure Members option window of the Members tab. Make sure that the Allow Administrators to grant roles without assigning the associated license setting is toggled on. Now click back to the Invite and Grant Roles window on the Members tab. From here, you can select the Invite Members option. Under the User Email field, enter support@swiftsol.com. That's support@SWYFTSOL.com. If you would like SWYFT support to help you configure the settings on your platform, you will need to set their user right to administrator. You can leave the user location as your default and English as the invitation email language. You can then select Next to continue to the Roles page. On the Roles page, the Collaborative Business Innovator will be automatically selected. Make sure that the Assign License option is toggled off. This setting will allow SWYFT support to bring their own license when they accept the invitation. If you leave the Assign License setting toggled on, then SWYFT support will consume one of your own licenses. You can now select Next to continue to the Additional Apps page and select the Invite button to finish this process. SWYFT support will receive notification of their invite and will work together with you on the next steps to configure your platform. We're so excited to have you as a partner here at SWYFT Solutions, and we look forward to working with you. If you have any questions or run into any problems with this process, you can find our contact information in the description below. And be sure to follow all of our socials to keep up with the latest and greatest SWYFT Solutions news.